MARSi Group is a one-stop solution for all your manufacturing needs. As a Slovenian B2B company, we offer a comprehensive range of services, including metal 3D printing with DMLS technology, 3D scanning and metrology services, plastic injection molding, extrusion of plastic products, mold manufacturing, and consulting. We have a proven track record of success and have been in business since 2010. Constantly evolving and expanding our capabilities to meet the needs of our customers. Our services have been utilized in various industries such as packaging, food, automotive, aerospace, toolmaking, and energy. Our company specializes in mass production of plastic parts with injection molding and extrusion, producing up to 300 million products annually with fully automated processes. We also do small series production of over 600 different products and use in-mold labeling for the production of special plastic lids for the food industry. In the injection molding sector, we use two-component injection molding with a rotary table for products made of two different materials of the highest quality. Our in-house service for the maintenance of plastic injection molding tools is also superb, as we go the extra mile to ensure that every internal tool is inspected and serviced by our highly skilled tool makers before production. Our team of experts guarantees that your products will be made of the highest quality. Choose MARSi for your next project. Our metal 3D printing services with DMLS technology are the best in class. We specialize in the manufacturing of injection molds with conformal cooling channels, which helps improve product quality, increase competitiveness, and shorten the cycle time. At MARSi Group, we offer custom 5-axis machining services for a variety of materials. With this technology, we can manufacture the most complex products for small or large serial production. In the department of 3D metrology, we inspect your products on our GOM Scan Cobot machine with an integrated ATOS Q 3D scanner. This results in a precise measurement report with color deviations of the measured part. We strive to meet the unique needs of our customers by constantly investing in equipment, new technology, and process improvement, which ensures our services are of a high standard. Our foundation is a culture of mutual respect and long-term cooperation with our employees and business partners. Contact us today and let us help you achieve your manufacturing goals.